Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can withdraw money from your Venmo to your bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to withdraw money from your Venmo to your bank account, first thing you need to make sure that you've already linked your bank account to your Venmo. Otherwise, you need to start it from the beginning, that is by linking your bank account to your Venmo. First thing, you need to log in into your Venmo account. And as you're logged into your Venmo account, next interface, you need to tap on your payment method. Next page, you'll be able to see add bank or card. You need to click on it. So after that, tap on the try bar icon located in the top left corner of your screen. And as you tap on it, on the other side, you'll be able to see an option as transfer to bank. Just click on it. So after that, you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer it to your bank. So once you're done entering the amount, right at the bottom you have an option as select card or bank. So after that, you need to select the bank account where you want to transfer, and after you're done selecting the bank account, tap on next, and after that you'll have a confirmation. So make sure to go through it and then tap on transfer now, and after that you'll be notified about the transaction. And in order to complete the transaction, you'll have to wait for at least 1 or 2 days. So within a couple of days later, you'll also be notified about the completion of your transaction, and that is how you can withdraw money from your Venmo to your bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.